Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you add cinematic bars in Premiere Pro. So guys, just go to Premiere Pro and select multiple clips as you like. I've selected this one, taking this one as well. And also this one. Going to unlink the voice. After that, here you can see the new item option. Click on it and click on adjustment layer, this option. Now you can select the FPS as you like. Going to make it 30 fps and click on OK. Drag the adjustment layer here and make it cover the whole clip. Now here you can see effects. Click on effects and search here crop, and after searching for crop, here you can see the crop effect. Just select it and drop it here, and after dropping it here, you can see top and bottom there are two options. Make these two options like 13% or maybe 10 to 50% as you like. And the bottom also. And here you can see the cinematic bars has been added. So guys, that's how you can add cinematic bars in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.